Welcome, in front of me is a NAVITEL T787 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. From there, simply hold power key and the volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up with share and edit options on the side, and after a moment it just disappears. Once it does so, you can find your screenshot in your Photos application, and from here navigate to Library and you will find an album called Screenshots, and in here obviously you will just find screenshots that have captured over the time. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.